Good evening and welcome to The Big Fight, a show that is young at 21, the oldest running debate show on Indian news television. I'm Sanket Upadhyay. The battle for Bihar may have been over, but the war seems to continue. While the NDA is taking claim to form the government on the basis of a wafer-thin majority, Tejaswi Yadav is crying foul over alleged problems with counting. So on The Big Fight tonight, we place the Bihar conundrum in front of you. It is a unique situation. Does Bihar have a lesson for everyone? Let's take a look at this one by one. Nitish Kumar is the chief minister, but with a muted mandate. Modi has won Bihar, only with a narrow lead. You see the problem. Tejaswi has put up a good show, but fell short. Congress has bargained hard, got 70 seats, but they failed to fire, a strike rate of only 27%. LJP and OAC, not LJP, but OAC gets a surprise 5, but he's tagged as a vote cutter. So on The Big Fight tonight, going forward, does Bihar have an important lesson for Bengal and even the other assembly elections? What will each of these parties, particularly the stakeholders who are going to be in the contest in other states, going to take a lesson from the Bihar contest? Let me introduce our guest this evening. I have Ambassador Pawan Verma, former Rajya Sabha MP, author and a former diplomat. Thank you very much for joining us, Ambassador Verma. We have Mr. K.C. Tyagi, Secretary General of the JDU. Akhtarul Islam Shaheen, MLA and spokesperson of the RJD, is with us. Subhashini Sharad Yadav, a Congress candidate from Bihariganj and a senior Congress leader, is also with us. Thank you very much. Ajmal Khan, spokesperson of the AIMIM, is with us. Tausif Ahmed Khan, political analyst, supports the TMC, is also with us. And in just a short moment, we'll be joined in by Mr. Vijay Jolly, who's the leader and the national executive member of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Thank you very much. Let's begin with what we call is our first punch, where all of you get your 1 minute time to make your opening comments. Ambassador Verma, we'll begin with you. Your 1 minute time begins now.
Well, the Bihar elections, as you said, are interesting. The NDA has a very tenuous majority. And the BJP has done well, but not as well as its strike rate traditionally is. The RJD has given a creditable performance, but not as good. The Congress has been a liability in that alliance, the Congress as currently constituted. But for me, the biggest takeaway in Bihar is what was done with the JDU. The JDU was the victim, in my view, of a planned conspiracy by which, through the use of Chirag Paswan, its role and the role of Nitish Kumar ji was downsized so that in the eventuality, as was expected, of an NDA win, the JDU plays a subsidiary role to a dominant BJP.
Sure. Okay. K.C. Tyagi, I want to give you your 1 minute time. You've heard Ambassador Verma. He says that this was a conspiracy against you. षड्यंत्र था JDU के खिलाफ, BJP द्वारा रचा हुआ.
JDU के खिलाफ कॉन्स्पिरेसी काफी दिन से थी और काफी ताकतें इसमें लगी हुई थी. नीतीश कुमार जी का जो ब्रांड है उसको फेल करने के लिए वहाँ का शराब माफिया लगा हुआ था, शराब मैग्नेट पूरे देश का लगा हुआ था, बालू माफिया लगा हुआ था. और जो लोग अपोजिशन की पॉलिटिक्स करने के बजाय रंजिश की, बिहार की पॉलिटिक्स में एक नया फिनोमेना आया है, वो है रंजिश की राजनीति. मैंने विरोध सुना था, मैंने डिफरेंसेस सुने थे, लेकिन ये पहली बार सुन रहा हूँ कि गाली गलोच, इलविशिंग, ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है. तीसरा और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण है कि बीजेपी पहले दिन कह चुकी कि हमारा बिहार में एनडीए का मतलब है नीतीश कुमार के नेतृत्व वाला. लेकिन एक नौजवान जो बहुत जल्दी में है वो कहता है मैं ही हनुमान हूँ. तो मैं तो आपसे पहले भी कहा कि जो मॉडर्न हनुमान है वो बजाय लंका के अयोध्या में आग लगाने में लग गया।
श्योर जी वापस आऊंगा आपके पास केसी त्यागी, क्योंकि इस पर भी मेरी एक टिप्पणी है, उस पर मैं आपका, क्योंकि आप मेरे शो में 2 बार कह चुके हैं, सो आई एम गोना कम बैक टू यू एंड काउंटर यू बिकॉज आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड माय काउंटर टू दिस। अख्तरुल इस्लाम शाहीन, एमएलए एंड स्पोक्सपर्सन ऑफ द आरजेडी, आपका 1 मिनट अब शुरू होता है। अख्तरुल इस्लाम
जी, देखिए, जो लोकतंत्र में जन भावना का बहुत महत्व है। मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार जी 15 साल मुख्यमंत्री रहे। आज 4 दलों के साथ, लोजपा हटा दीजिए तो 4 दलों के साथ वो चुनाव लड़ रहे थे 115 सीटों पर, और वो 100, 80, 90, 60 भी नहीं जीते, 50 भी नहीं जीते। मतलब ओवरऑल 4 दलों के गठबंधन के बाद भी उनको ओवरऑल रिजेक्ट किया गया। तो किस तरह से वो मुख्यमंत्री बनने के लिए उनको आगे आना चाहिए, उनको जन भावना को समझना चाहिए कि जन भावना क्या है। भाजपा साथ में है, तमाम दल साथ में है, उसके बाद भी आप कितनी सीट ला पा रहे हैं। दूसरी तरफ यह है कि उनके साथ कॉन्स्पिरेसी कर रहा है जो लोग, आप उसके साथ सरकार कैसे बना रहे हैं। तो जन भावना का भी ख्याल होना चाहिए, उनके साथ जो षड्यंत्र हो रहा है उसका भी ख्याल होना चाहिए। मुख्यमंत्री जी को विचार विमर्श करना चाहिए कि ऐसी स्थिति में क्या होना चाहिए। बिहार की जनता ने तेजस्वी यादव को एक बड़ा मैंडेट देने का काम किया है। जनता की भावना तेजस्वी यादव को मुख्यमंत्री बनाने की है। ऐसे में मुख्यमंत्री जी 15 साल से हैं, उनको जन भावना का ख्याल करते हुए कुछ सोचना चाहिए, कुछ विचारना चाहिए, और जन भावना के अनुरूप कोई एक बड़ा निर्णय लेना चाहिए जो बिहार की जनता आशा अपेक्षा रखती है बिहार के मुख्यमंत्री जी से।
जी। सुभाषिनी शरद यादव, let me now come to you. Your 1 minute begins now. Subhashini.
So basically, the last 2 elections have been revolved around Mahagathbandhan, and people have given their mandate to Mahagathbandhan. But eventually, in 2015 election, after post-election of 2015, the mandate was again changed. People were betrayed, and yet again in 2020, when the mandate was in favor of Mahagathbandhan, again due to some conspiracies and how we have been going through that, how the voters have been betrayed again by the NDA government. The NDA formation is again a betrayal to the Mahagathbandhan coalition, and we have been on ground. This election was revolving around development, revolving around change. People wanted change. We have continuously stayed in touch with people, and people wanted a good representation, a representation which was towards youth, women empowerment, medical facilities, and everything has been neglected. We cannot see anything on the ground. I would like to speak about the silent voters.
Okay. So, Subhashini, I'm going to come back to you. You can talk about the silent voter in just a short moment. But Tauseef Ahmed Khan is a political analyst, supposed the TMC, is also with us, because, you know, we are also talking about a possible impact on the Bengal election. So, Mr. Khan, your 1 minute begins now.
I think Bihar result has to be taken as an eye-opener for all the political party who espouse the cause of secularism and who thinks that BJP's ideology is going to destroy India. It is a cause. It is a call for all those parties to take their cause seriously and come together in one platform. If you have been waiting for a desperate time so that you can take a desperate measure, your time has arrived now. Get your acts together and form a formidable side, a front, so you can take up the challenges posed by BJP in Bengal and their kind of politics which you believe is going to hurt Bengal and country in the future to come. This is time for you to keep your differences aside and form an alliance which is really going to help you win the election. You can't take Bengal election so easily. You have to take this very seriously.
Sure. Vijay Jolly of the BJP. Your 1 minute time, sir. Mr. Jolly.
You see, out of 243 seats in Bihar, the majority mark was 122. And the alliance of BJP and Janata Dal U combined have crossed that mark by getting 125 seats. There was no conspiracy. This conspiracy theory is promoted by those people who have lost this election. This election was a clear-cut mandate on the good governance of the BJP and the Janata Dal U government in Bihar. And during the last 15 years, the Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has done exceedingly well. The Prime Minister's Sikka is all over the country, and it was decisively proved with the rout of the Congress party, which became a drain on its Mahagathbandhan partner, the RJD. I would wish to state on record, Bihar has chosen to go the Bharat way. Bihar has chosen to go the BJP and Janata Dal
Okay.
new way.
Okay, Mr.
Bihar
Jolly, I'm
people
going to
have
come back
given
to you.
a clear-cut
1 minute
mandate
only for the
in
first
favor
punch,
of this,
Mr. Jolly.
Alliance led by BJP
Sure,
and Janata
I
Dal
will come back to you in
Bihar
just a
election.
short moment. Dr. Nasir Hussain is also with us, spokesperson of the Congress Party. Yes, Dr. Hussain, your 1 minute of opening comment.
I think this election in Bihar was something to do with alliances, counter alliances, and hidden alliances. The party that is power in the center and also in the state made it very clear that come what may, whatever be the issue, let us not fight the election on issues. Let us use the machinery. Let us use everything that we can do to win the election. Their sole motto is to capture power, steal mandates, and manufacture mandates. This is how they have done. This is how they have done in Goa, Manipur, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh. This is how they stole one of our partners in the last election when Mahagathbandhan was given a mandate in Bihar. This is what they did in Madhya Pradesh. This is what they did in Karnataka. So that was clearly seen even in Bihar. They had alliance with JDU, they had alliance with LJP, they had an indirect alliance with AMM. Apart from that, the way they used the machinery, where the DMs and the returning officers clearly announced the results at least in 15 to 20 places.
Sure.
And
But the Election Commission has, yes, Dr. Nasir Hussain, but the Election Commission has come out and it has explained the circumstances under which they did what they did. Because if you are saying that this is a problem as far as the totaling and counting, then you're casting aspersions on the Election Commission.
They should have gone for a recount when the candidate, those who lost, protested. They should have gone for a recount. That is what the law of the Election Commission says.
No, I've asked this question of the JDU multiple times. They said we have also lost with a very thin margin. Then we'll keep having recounting. But I guess your concern is valid. Let me quickly get in a response to this also. Mr. KC Tyagi, अगर ये जरूरत महसूस हो रही है कि recounting कराई जाए क्योंकि जिस तरीके से counting हुई, and this was an unusual election because you had more number of EVM machines, you had more rounds, greater amount of counting took place, postal ballot numbers were high, and thus chances of error could also potentially be high. ऐसी स्थिति में अगर recounting की मांग हो रही है तो ये क्यों ना करा ली जाए?
संकेत जी, मैं 6 लोकसभा के चुनाव लड़ चुका हूं। रिकाउंटिंग के लिए जिस समय काउंटिंग चलती रहती है, उस समय जो उम्मीदवार को शक शुबा लगता है कि मेरे साथ बेइंसाफी हो रही है, काउंटिंग में गड़बड़ हो रही है, उस समय उसी वक्त उसको लिख के देना पड़ता है। मेरे खिलाफ भी लिख के दिया गया है और मैंने भी लिख करके दिया है। जब रिजल्ट आ जाता है, और ये चुनाव आयोग के कायदे कानून भी हैं कि जब चुनाव डिक्लेयर हो जाए और आप बीच में एक बार भी अपना प्रोटेस्ट दर्ज ना करें, उसके बाद फिर रिकाउंटिंग का नहीं होता। नंबर 1। नंबर 2, एक नया फैशन ये चला है, हम तो 50 साल अपोजिशन में रहे हैं, हमने तो कभी कांग्रेस पार्टी पर रिगिंग का आरोप नहीं लगाया। हम 2014 में सिर्फ 2 MP हमारे जीते, हमने तो कभी नहीं कहा कि
Hussain, would you like to respond?
या चुनाव आयोग गड़बड़ कर रहा है।
Dr. Hussain, you've heard what KC Tyagi has to say.
That is exactly what I am saying. See, at least in 50 to 20 cases, the DMs announced the results in the favor of Mahagathbandhan candidates. Then they said, you have not won, we are giving certificate to someone else.
No, but then KC Tyagi is saying,
in some cases they
KC
gave in
Tyagi
return,
is saying
they
that you
asked
could have
for-
raised
they
this
asked
objection
for-
there
they
and
asked for
then, rather than
recounting.
raising it now.
If the just one second. If the JDU and the BJP is certain that they have won the election, what are they afraid of? Let there be recounting. Why are they afraid of? Why are they afraid of recounting? They know that they have lost the election. They know how they have cheated
Okay,
the
two hand
people in
fingers go
different
up.
states.
Vijay
and
Jolly
this
as
was
well as
the
KC
best
Tyagi. They
way
want to
they
respond.
could have
Vijay
done in
Jolly,
PR.
Vijay Jolly to Dr. Hussain.
I
Vijay
would
Jolly.
wish to put on record, it is the decision of the Election Commission which was conducting this whole election to go for a recount or to announce the result. When Congress and its alliance partner RJD piggyback on the exit polls a day before, they were claiming from the rooftops, from the Himalaya mountains, we have won the election, we have won the election. And the moment the results came out, The people of Bihar decisively
Dr. Hussain,
voted
right
in
to
favor
reply.
of the BJP and the Janata Dal U.
The allegation is that this is a belated response.
It was not the Mahagathbandhan that was announcing. It was the returning officers of the election commission who had announced the results.
You have
It was
lost the
the
election
returning
by
officers of the election
Congress.
commission. It was not the
Please
Congress or the
accept
RJD
fact.
or the Mahagathbandhan
From
people those that announced the
2017,
result.
You have come down to 19 seats. Accept the verdict of the
This
people
is
of
how
Bihar
the machinery
in a-
is being
in a
used in India.
amicable way.
This
In
is
a
how the
respectable
machinery
way.
is being used
This
in India.
does not
I
behold
charge.
the
This is
Congress
how the
Party,
machinery is being
which has
used in
ruled
India.
the country
You look
for
at the
60
history.
long
You look
years.
at the
One moment,
history of the
Dr. Hussain,
election
you're
last
saying
3-4
machinery is being
years.
used.
This is
I
how
hope
they
you
have
realize you're
stolen
speaking
mandate.
against the.
This is how they have tried to
What
manufacture
is the
the mandate
Congress's
in every
allegation?
state.
Sanket ji.
One moment. What is
Sanket
the
ji.
Congress's
Sanket
allegation
ji.
that the election commission has rigged the elections? I
Sanket
think
ji.
let's speak very openly now.
संकेत जी,
Openly,
Sanket ji.
is your allegation that the election commission
Sanket ji.
has rigged the election at the behest of the ruling dispensation? Yes or no, Dr. Hussain?
See, I have made it very clear, the same returning officers who were conducting the elections, they have declared the election in the favor of
Dr.
our
Hussain,
candidates in
they
at least
report
15
to the
20
election
places.
commission. The
And
election
they,
commission
while
says that
giving
there
the
is nothing
certificates,
wrong.
have given the
You're
certificates,
casting
have given the
aspersions.
certificate to the opposing candidates.
Are
This
you
has
accusing
mostly
the
happened
election commission-
in
One
those
moment.
cases where it was a close call.
One moment, अख्तरुल इस्लाम एंड केसी त्यागी वन बाय वन. अख्तरुल इस्लाम, मैं पहले आपके पास आना चाहता हूं. आपने सुन लिया यहां पर क्या, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं, क्या आप ये आरोप लगा रहे हैं कि चुनाव आयोग ने साठगांठ की जेडीयू और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के साथ उनको ये चुनाव जिताने के लिए आरोप लगा रहे हैं? तो सीधे सीधे लगाइए.
देखिए 2 से 3 बजे तक जो रिजल्ट सामने आ रहा था वह यह बता रहा था कि राष्ट्रीय जनता दल गठबंधन एनडीए गठबंधन से थोड़ा बढ़त बना रहा है. 3 से 4 बजते बजते सारे रिजल्ट को होल्ड कर दिया गया. मैं 4 बजे तक जीत गया था, मेरा रिजल्ट 1 बजे दिया गया. तेजस्वी यादव 4 बजे तक जीत चुके थे, 4:30 बजे तक जीत चुके थे, उनके रिजल्ट को 1 बजे तक होल्ड किया गया. तमाम रिजल्ट को होल्ड किया गया. जहां पर माइनर डिफरेंसेस था वहां पर इलेक्शन कमीशन का डायरेक्ट निर्देश है कि जो बैलेट का जो पोस्ट है बैलेट वाला उसको
Who
शुरू
wants
में
to
काउंट
respond
करना
to
है.
this?
इन्होंने लास्ट में काउंट किया.
Anyone wants to counter
लास्ट में
this?
काउंट किया और पढ़े
Mr.
लिखे लोगों
Islam
का
seems
वोटर है.
to
ये
say-
500 1,000 वोट को रद्द किया.
You're talking about
Ban-
foul play.
जी.
Who wants to respond to this? Vijay Jolly or Mr. केसी त्यागी? कौन
If I
जवाब
can-
देना
I
चाहता है?
want to respond.
या
I
केसी
want to
त्यागी जी.
respond.
केसी त्यागी
संकेत
जी,
जी.
आपने सुन लिया क्या कह रहे
ये
हैं?
रद्द क्यों
संकेत
किया
जी.
गया?
हाँ, संकेत जी, चुनाव आयोग आज से नहीं, जब से पार्लियामेंट एग्जिस्टेंस में आई है उसके फैसलों का हम सब लोग स्वागत करते हैं. हमारे खिलाफ भी फैसले होते हैं. और मैं तो ये कहना चाहता हूँ, मेरा कांग्रेस पार्टी के मिस्टर हुसैन पे आरोप है, आप लोगों ने क्या क्या काम कर रखे हैं, अगर उसकी लिस्ट आ जाएगी. आपने MS गिल जो चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया था उसको कांग्रेस पार्टी का मेंबर बनाया. आपने उसको राज्यसभा दी, आपने उसको मिनिस्टर बनाया. उसकी न्यूट्रलिटी का उस समय क्या हुआ होगा? वो न्यूट्रल है, उसका कोई उसकी
Okay,
उसका क्या
Dr.
हुआ होगा
Hussain,
उस समय
Dr.
जब
Hussain, do
आपने
you want to
chief election
respond?
commissioner
Basically,
बनाया?
everybody
आप
has
कैसे
misused the
क्या-
election
नहीं,
commission.
ये जवाब
Dr.
दें-
Nasir Hussain. Dr. Nasir Hussain. What about Mr. MS
मैंने
Gill?
पोस्टल
Who then
बैलेट
became
का काउंट
became the
शुरू में होना था, वो लास्ट में क्यों
who
हुआ?
then became the sports
See, I'll
minister?
tell you something.
ये जवाब दें.
I'll tell you something. I'll tell you
नहीं,
something.
पोस्टल बैलेट का
See,
बताए
this
ना.
this BJP and these especially affiliates, they always have this habit of telling, see, you have done this, you have done that, so we can do whatever you want, you don't question us. I think ऐसा नहीं चलता. अगर गलती अभी भी है, अगर हम बिहार का इलेक्शन यहाँ डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, तो हम बिहार के इलेक्शन में जो खामियां हुई हैं, जो धांधली हुई है, जो मैंडेट को चुराने का काम किए हैं, हम 100% उस चीज को उठाएंगे. अगर कोई ये कह रहा है कि आप 70 की दशक में ये किए थे, 60 की दशक में वो किए थे, that will not validate your
Okay, very
mishandling of
quickly,
the
let's
election
quickly
or
take
your
a
cheating of the election
last
mandate
round
now.
of questions on EVM and in this case postal ballots.
Sanket.
The every election villains. Let's quickly take a last round and then move forward. Ambassador
Sanket,
Verma, and then yes, Ambassador Verma first, and then Mr. Khan. Ambassador Verma, what do you make of this allegation that postal ballots were rigged?
No, I frankly am not disposed for a losing side to raise questions on the election commission. Their concerns may be valid. But I think that if this becomes a trend, then when you win, you don't question. When you lose, you question. It's not the appropriate way. I think the Mahagathbandhan needs to do serious introspection. That in spite of being buoyed, supported by an anti-incumbency wave, in spite of the very energetic campaign carried out by Tejasvi Yadav, why did the Gathbandhan not significantly increase its electoral footprint beyond largely what is called the MY combine? Why did it give 70 seats to the Congress party? These are questions. Why did it allow
Very important
valuable allies as part of a rainbow
Do you
coalition?
think Shubhashini
Like
ji, आप
Ram Manji,
ये बहुत जरूरी सवाल उठा रहे हैं. Ambassador Pawan Verma is
See.
saying that why don't you look inwards? Subhashini, do you think
I-
that the Congress has to take the blame of being the worst performer in this election with the
See,
worst
we have-
strike rate?
We have fought this election together, and Congress has been part of Mahagathbandhan ever since 2015. एंड जो भी हमारी पार्टी की परफॉर्मेंस रही है उसके ऊपर एक क्रिटिकल एनालिसिस होना चाहिए, जो अभी हम आगे मंथन करेंगे अपनी वीकनेसेस पे और अपनी स्ट्रेंथ पे.
पार्टी में मंथन कहाँ होता है मैडम?
नहीं जी बिल्कुल, अभी तो चुनाव खत्म ही हुए हैं, मंथन करने का समय है सर, और जरूर मंथन किया जाएगा. महागठबंधन में सारे सहयोगी दल एक साथ चुनाव लड़ रहे थे, तो एक दूसरे पर अभी ब्लेम गेम नहीं करना चाहिए. ये देखना चाहिए कि कैसे हम लोगों को.
Blame game नहीं. One moment, this is not a blame game, but I want to ask you certain questions based on facts. So here are the facts on the Congress's strike rate in election after election where they were in an alliance. So in Maharashtra 2019, they contested 147 seats, won only 44, 29.93% strike rate. In Tamil Nadu 2016, you contested 41, won only 8, 19.51% strike rate. Uttar Pradesh, 114 contested, won only 7, 6% strike rate. And now Bihar 27% strike rate. अब आप मुझे ये बताइए, ऐसे में कल को अगर if you want to enter into an alliance in Bengal or any other state, who will be with you?
See,
who would want to be with the Congress?
if we see the strike rate
Dr.
of the
Hussain, I'll come back to you.
Mahagathbandhan,
I'll come to you also,
the
Dr. Hussain.
percentage of Mahagathbandhan has been 37.2 and the NDA has been 37.3. Whereas the Mahagathbandhan has fought shorn of only 12,000 vote overall. So this election was fought against an anti-incumbency against NDA, and people were anti-NDA. So Congress formed this alliance with RJD, CPI and CPI-ML, and we were going through what the people's voices were. People were not happy with whatever happened during Corona. People were not happy how the Sharab Mafia has been working in the state and other things. And this again, I would again say that people were in favor of Mahagathbandhan, and I have contested from Congress party and I have represented my constituency. So I would need any of the media person to come and do a personal survey that how backward and how people have neglected the NDA government and they wanted a change.
Okay. Okay, Dr. Nasir Hussain, because you wanted to come in, your quick right to reply to this question. However, I must also argue, defeating my own point,
Sanket,
that there are many places where the Congress has done well as well over this time frame. Dr. Hussain.
Yeah, Sanket. Sanket, that's what exactly I wanted to know. You should also tell about what was our strike rate in Madhya Pradesh, in Chhattisgarh, in Rajasthan, in Punjab, in Karnataka, in Kerala, and several other states. But the point here is, every state has its different. Every state politics has different dynamics. We are organizationally poor in some of these states, and also especially if you
Congress
speak
does
about
not realize
the Bihar election. I would like to say,
Dr. Hussain, I heard Ambassador Verma, and they said that the real introspection should be done within the Congress to realize that you hog a lot of space, whereas you do not deliver the goods. And this has been a perpetual problem with the Congress party. Do you think that you want to accept this charge? Bhai, aapne 70 liya and you delivered only 19.
Yeah, on that part. नहीं on that part जो है जहाँ पे इंट्रोस्पेक्शन करने की जरूरत है, I agree that Congress should do introspection not only for this state but also for all the coming state elections. But the point here, what I'm trying to make is, every state has different dynamics. In Bihar, the kind of seats which we fought, I think nobody else should have fought on those seats, because they were seats which would have not been very favorable for the Mahagathbandhan or to the Congress party. That is a different thing. We should do
May I come
introspection.
in?
Yes,
But there
Ambassador
are
Verma.
states which
No, because
where we are
one
our
can
strike.
challenge this
If
argument
you-
because
if you look at the parliament election
many
in Tamil
insiders
Nadu.
in the Congress say that you ended up bargaining for many such seats where traditionally you had no stronghold. I mean, you could have much rather accommodated, say, a party like an MIM. You often accuse them of being the B team of the BJP. We have Asaduddin Owaisi on
See,
record.
I-
Ajmal Khan, spokesperson
I
of MIM, is
don't-
also with us. Asaduddin
Sanket,
Owaisi
I would
on
like
NDTV
to-
said
I'd
that
like
I
to
went
add a
to the
point.
alliance. I went to the Grand Alliance and I was treated like an untouchable.
Please get.
Treated like an untouchable. Ajmal Khan is with us. Ajmal Khan, would you like to respond? Ajmal Khan of the MIM. Ajmal Khan साहब आवाज आ रही है आपको?
Is not clear, please.
आपको आवाज आई मेरी अजमल
नहीं
खान
आ रही,
साहब?
बहुत स्लो आ रही, मैं कुछ सुन नहीं पा रहा हूँ.
Sanket, I would like to add.
अच्छा, may I come in, Sanket?
जी, एक एक करके, ठीक है. अब मैं आपकी ऑडियो फिक्स करके आपके पास वापस
Can
आता हूँ
I-
अजमल जी.
can I
Very
come
quickly,
in,
Ambassador Verma.
Sanket?
Yes, Ambassador Verma and then Tausif Ahmed Khan. Ambassador Verma.
While you are going through a fine tooth comb about what went wrong in the Mahagathbandhan, why don't you focus on the sabotage that went on within the NDA?
Yeah, I will. I will, sir. I will.
Where does it happen?
One by one. Yeah.
No. We have finite time, and I want to make my point, whether you wish to discuss it or not.
Sure.
Where does it happen that within the NDA, you have an ally of the NDA that before the elections and during the elections targets another ally of the NDA, abuses its leader, who also is the incumbent chief minister,
Sure.
and is not reined in and calls himself the Hanuman of the Prime Minister, who's the leader of the largest party of the same alliance. It cost the JDU 30 seats. And I want to say to you, and I want to ask Vijay Jolly, if Chirag Paswan had put up candidates against the BJP, if he had abused the leader of the NDA, the face that helmed it, of the BJP, which was Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself, would the BJP have taken such a soft stand? The Prime Minister comes to Bihar and in his rallies, he doesn't say a word against Chirag Paswan. And he continues to attack Nitish Kumar and the JDU. And they had the feeling that we will comfortably win, as it was assumed 3 weeks ago. And the JDU must be downsized as a junior partner in the NDA alliance. Which
No,
they
Ambassador
achieved.
Verma, I want to ask you a counter question. I spoke to a lot of people from the BJP, and we've got representatives right here, Mr. Vijay Jolly, as well as Mr. R.K. Sinha, BJP leader and former MP of the BJP, is also with us. And they seem to suggest that we have also been harmed by LJP.
Not to the same extent, certainly not.
Okay.
And let me say to you,
Yeah.
if there has been even the slightest collateral damage to the BJP as a result of Chirag Paswan's actions, it was neither anticipated nor was it significant. But to put up candidates in every seat that they fought against the JDU, to abuse the chief minister who's a part of the same alliance, and for Mr. Paswan to continue in Delhi as a member
Sure.
of
Let me
the
get in a response. I think this is an important point that Ambassador Verma has raised. Let's
It
quickly
does
get in a
not
response.
augur well for the alliance that is probably going to form the government.
The alliance which is going to
So
form the
mistrust
government
suspicion.
finds itself weak because Ambassador Verma feels that this was a conspiracy hatched by a ruling incumbent member, that is the Bharatiya Janata Party. Mr. R.K. Sinha and Vijay Jolly, one by one, your right to reply. Ambassador Verma's allegations. Mr. R.K. Sinha, we'll begin with you. That the BJP planted the LJP to weaken the JDU, to cut him to size. Mr. Ravindra Kishore Sinha, can you hear me? Okay, we're going to go back to Mr. Sinha in just a moment. But Vijay Jolly, do you want to answer this?
Yes, certainly. This is all a hearsay. From day one, the BJP election in charge of Bihar, Mr. Bhupendra Yadav made it plainly clear.
No, but then why didn't
as
the Prime
well as
Minister make it
BJP
clear?
National President Mr. JP Nadda. The BJP stands in total alliance with the Janata Dal U.
Why didn't the PM say a word in his rallies?
Janata Dal U and the BJP alliance.
Mr. Jolly, why didn't PM say a word in his rallies?
Now, all this talk about creating confusions in the ruling party camp, from the
Ambassador
outset
Verma is asking, why didn't the PM utter a word? And would this have been the BJP's response had the JDU done this?
The BJP, right from day one, was solidly.
Mr. Vijay Jolly, very conveniently, you are not listening to my interjection.
We fought the polls together. We won the polls together.
No, Mr.
And
Jolly,
we are going to form the government together.
Mr. Jolly, my interjection
week.
is, would the BJP have done the same had the JDU done this? Not uttered a word against a person who was openly conspiring against a party.
All my party leaders who campaigned in Bihar, they were very categorical. The BJP and Janata Dal U alliance will sweep the polls, and the face who will become the chief minister is the Janata Dal U face, and the
But what about the Prime Minister? I think the allegation that has been made, Ambassador Verma says, the Prime Minister...
So raising such issues is just fishing in troubled water.
BJP leadership.
Okay, the Prime Minister held 12 rallies. Okay, so he was also a campaigner. I don't think I have heard the Prime Minister say anything against the LJP to this day.
He will decide.
To this day.
Not Pawan Verma, not Hindi TV, not those parties which have lost the Bihar poll.
Sure.
Whatever the Prime Minister said was in consonance with the BJP's national policy to implement CAA, putting away Article 370.
I'm talking about the LJP conspiracy. I'm talking about the allegation of an LJP conspiracy, not CAA and NRC. Ravinder Kumar Sinha of the BJP. Mr. Sinha, can you hear me now?
He clinched the polls.
I can hear.
Yes, Mr. Sinha, I'm sure you have understood the drift of the conversation. Ambassador Verma, your dear friend, says that there was a conspiracy hatched by the BJP where you set Mr. Chirag Paswan to destroy the JDU.
This is absolutely wrong. There has been some confusion, some emotional issue between Chirag and Nitish Ji. We tried our best to sort it out. And when it was not sorted out, and when Chirag decided to go ahead alone,
Okay, some bandwidth issues with Mr. Sinha. We're going to come back to you in just a short moment, but KC Tyagi of the JDU and Mr. Islam of the RJD one by one, and then we'll move ahead. Yes. KC Tyagi.
No, I disagree with Sinha ji. I disagree that there was some confusion between JDU and LJP. We never fought election with LJP. In 2000, 2005, 10, 15, now 2020. LJP was talking with Amit Shah ji. Amit Shah ji is on record on saying कि वो ज़्यादा सीट चाहते थे. तो सिन्हा जी वो सीट की बातचीत बीजेपी से कर रहे थे. हमारे साथ कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं था. हमने तो रामविलास जी को नीतीश जी ने अपने घर बुला करके चाय पिलाई. उनके भाई जो एमएलए भी नहीं थे, एमएलसी भी नहीं थे, उनको मिनिस्टर बनाया और सब कुछ ठीक ठाक चल रहा था. इसलिए हमारी तरफ से कोई ढील नहीं थी.
एक जल्दी से इस इशू पे रिस्पांस ले लूं मैं एम्बेसडर वर्मा का. एम्बेसडर वर्मा, you have heard what JDU's KC Tyagi has to say, that there was no emotional issue from their end, and I only choose to believe that at least on record Mr. KC Tyagi feels that there was no conspiracy against them. On record.
Ask Mr. Tyagi if he believed that there was not an internal sabotage.
बताइए, कोई षड्यंत्र था आपके खिलाफ, आपकी पार्टी के खिलाफ?
नहीं, प्राइम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह जी, नड्डा जी, देवेंद्र फडणवीस एंड अबव ऑल द इंचार्ज भूपेंद्र यादव, मैं किसी को ब्लेम नहीं करता. ये आरजेडी और एलजेपी ने मिलकर के एक बड़ी कॉन्स्पिरेसी की. हम विधानसभा में सबसे बड़ी पार्टी होते, हमारे नेता को मलाइन किया, हमारी पार्टी को बिलिटिल किया. और आज जो सारे सवाल उठा रहे हैं, ये जो 40 एमएलए आरजेडी के हुए होते, even तेजस्वी यादव, even तेज प्रताप, they won election but for LJP alone. तो कॉन्स्पिरेसी में एलजेपी के साथ आरजेडी शामिल
अच्छा,
है,
मेरा ये
बीजेपी
दिस इज अ
शामिल
वेरी
नहीं है।
इंटरेस्टिंग
मैं
कॉन्वर्सेशन
कहना चाहता हूं।
दैट इज हैपनिंग कि अगर ये ना होता तो ऐसा हो जाता, वो ना होता तो ऐसा हो जाता. माय पॉइंट इज एवरीवन हैज अ राइट टू कंटेस्ट इलेक्शंस, राइट? एंड इफ एन ओवैसी हैज वन अ सरप्राइज 5 एंड अजमल खान इज विद अस. अजमल खान, आप मेरी आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं?
जी,
अब असदुद्दीन ओवैसी की पार्टी 5 सीट ले आई तो ये आरोप हुआ कि बीजेपी की बी टीम हो गई. भाई ऐसा है कि सब लोग चुनाव में चुनाव लड़ने के लिए जाते हैं.
नहीं, मैं इस इलेक्शन में चुनाव लड़ने के लिए और जीतने के लिए आए थे भाई. इलेक्शन हम भी लड़े. आप देखिए 2015 का जो इलेक्शन हुआ था, अगर उसमें हम नहीं जीते तो कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं थी. अगर अब की हम इलेक्शन जीते हैं, 20 सीटों पर लड़े हैं, 5 सीटें जीते हैं.
नहीं अजमल साहब, आरोप आप पर यह है कि आप जानबूझ के ऐसी सीटों पे गए जहां पर आप महागठबंधन को तोड़ सकते थे. आप उनके साथ अगर जुड़ जाते तो बल होता.
देख लीजिए, जहां पर हम 20 सीटों पर लड़े हैं, केवल 2 सीटों पर बीजेपी जीती है. बाकी जगहों पे या तो जनता दल जीता है या फिर ये कांग्रेस वाले जीते हैं. हम किशनगंज बाई इलेक्शन में जीते थे, उसे इस बार हम हार गए. ना तो वोटर बदले, ना लोग बदले. ये एलिगेशन लगा देना तो कोई भी बहुत आसान है. किसी बात का भी एलिगेशन लगाया जा सकता है.
नो, एंड व्हाट अबाउट यू? भी आपको ये बोला जा रहा है आप बी टीम है भारतीय जनता पार्टी की.
अरे भाई, बोलने के लिए कुछ भी बोला जा सकता है. हम महाराष्ट्र में इलेक्शन लड़े, पहले इलेक्शन लड़े 2 सीट जीते. इस बार इलेक्शन लड़े फिर 2 सीट जीते. बीजेपी की जो एलाई थी शिवसेना, उसने इनको डिच कर दिया. इसमें भी हमारा हाथ हो जाएगा. किसके आरोप लगाने वालों के मुंह को तो नहीं पकड़ा जा सकता, लेकिन इलेक्शन लड़ने का जो हमारा राइट है उससे थोड़ी हमें रोका जा सकता.
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है.
हमें हरा दें,
ये एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है.
और उसके पहले भी देखिए, उसके पहले भी ओवैसी साहब का ये बयान आ चुका है कि हमने कोशिश करी, हमारे वहां के स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट ने कोशिश करी, इन लोगों ने नहीं लिया. अब हार गए तो सारा एलिगेशन हमारे ऊपर. 2015 में हम कोई सीट जीत पाए थे तो कोई एलिगेशन नहीं था.
अजमल साहब, हु आर द इन लोग? कौन है ये इन लोग जिन्होंने आपको साथ नहीं दिया?
क्या कह रहे हैं आप?
ये इन लोग कौन है जिन्होंने आपका साथ नहीं दिया?
कांग्रेस
भाई, नेशनल टीवी पर ओवैसी साहब ने ये बात कही ना कि हमारे स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट अख्तरुल ईमान साहब ने अप्रोच किया इलेक्शन से पहले तेजस्वी जी को और तमाम पार्टियों को, उनसे बात कही अपनी.
तेजस्वी जी को,
लेकिन इन लोगों ने उस
जल्दी से जवाब,
शामिल किया.
जल्दी से जवाब. तेजस्वी जी को, टू ऑल दोज हु अलेज दैट द ओवैसी इज द बी टीम ऑफ द बीजेपी, मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूं, अख्तरुल इस्लाम जी, आप आरजेडी के हैं, तेजस्वी जी को अप्रोच किया था ओवैसी की पार्टी ने, आपने मना कर दिया और अब वो बी टीम हो गए. अभी आप साथ में लड़े होते तो आज शपथ ले रहे होते.
हमने मना कर दिया? क्या कह रहे हैं अब? आपकी आवाज थोड़ी क्लियर नहीं हो रही. हमने मना नहीं किया भाई, हमारी पार्टी ने मना नहीं किया.
नहीं, एक सेकंड. ये सवाल है अख्तरुल इस्लाम ऑफ द आरजेडी. अख्तरुल इस्लाम आरजेडी के हैं, मैं उनसे सवाल पूछ रहा हूं.
जी, इससे पहले आपने दूसरा सवाल किया था जिसका जवाब आपने मुझसे नहीं लिया.
अच्छा,
एक कॉन्स्पिरेसी पे सवाल था कि जब भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने कॉन्स्पिरेसी किया, फिर आखिर नीतीश कुमार के साथ क्या मजबूरी है? कौन सा फाल भाजपा के पास है कि पूरा देश जान रहा है कि भाजपा ने कॉन्स्पिरेसी किया, उसके बावजूद आप उसके साथ चल रहे हैं? आखिर कौन सा फाइल उसके पास है? क्या मजबूरी है? ये जदयू को बताना पड़ेगा. दूसरी बड़ी बात है कि एलजेपी एक पार्टी, छोटी सी पार्टी है, उसके अलग लड़ने से आप धाराशायी कैसे हो गए? 15 साल का विकास था आपके पास 4 दल थे, भाजपा थे और हम पार्टी था, विकास पार्टी था, मुकेश जी की पार्टी, 4 पार्टी से आप चुनाव लड़ रहे थे, फिर धाराशायी कैसे हो गए? आपका विकास मॉडल कहां गया? जनता ने आपको रिजेक्ट क्यों किया? ये 2 सवाल मेरा भी था. 2 सवाल मेरा है जदयू के वालों से.
अब
आखिर क्या मजबूरी है कि भाजपा कॉन्स्पिरेसी कर रहा है, आप उसके साथ जा रहे हैं?
Why didn't you enter into an alliance with MIM? You would have been stronger. वो कह रहे हैं वो आपके पास आए, आपके नेता के पास आए, आपने उनको भाव ही नहीं दिया.
नहीं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. इस बात की जानकारी मुझे नहीं है. और हम लोग मतलब जो सेक्युलर पार्टियां हैं, तमाम तरह की जो एक विचार की पार्टियां, हम लोग मिलकर चुनाव लड़ते हैं वो. और MIM के बारे में कोई ऐसी जानकारी नहीं है कि उन्होंने अप्रोच किया, नहीं किया, और पार्टी ने लिया, नहीं लिया, क्यों नहीं लिया, ये कोई हम लोग को इस बारे में कोई जानकारी नहीं है.
आरजेडी को पता नहीं है अजमल साहब,
इस तरह की खबर नहीं है कि.
अजमल खान, आरजेडी कह रही है उनको कोई जानकारी नहीं है.
अब वो कह सकते हैं, हमारे नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट ने ये बात कही, अख्तरुल ईमान साहब गए इन लोगों के पास. अगर हमने इलेक्शन लड़ा और इलेक्शन हम जिन सीटों पर लड़े उनको देख लीजिए आप. या तो कांग्रेस जीती या हम जीते, या जनता दल जीती या हम जीते. जब 5 ही सीट पे तो जीते. अच्छा, किशनगंज की सीट हम हार गए, हम जानना चाहते हैं अपने लायक दोस्तों से कि वहां वोटर बदल गए, वहां क्या हो गया? हम बाई इलेक्शन में जीते थे, हार गए। अब लोगों का पैटर्न है, लोगों ने हमें 5 सीटों पर पसंद किया।
very quickly, 5 more minutes left in this discussion.
सुनहरा मौका
Tausif Ahmed Khan, a political analyst from Kolkata. Tausif has been waiting for a while and RK Sinha could not speak.
तो ये पूरी बिहार देख रही है, देश की जनता देख रही है।
Guys, one by one, please. One by one. We won't be able to understand anything. One by one. Tausif Ahmed Khan, thank you for waiting patiently. I want to ask you, what is the possible impact going to be in West Bengal? See, Asaduddin Owaisi, with this performance, is now emboldened to come in. Now, the same allegation will be levelled. You will say that he's B team of BJP.
No, he will, if he is not B team of BJP, then he will make all efforts to forge an alliance with the secular parties, which he seemed to have, pronounced himself to be standing with the secular parties. Then he will join the secular camp. Now, we have seen what is the result of Bihar election. There is one more point.
No, so what do you say? You're saying that there should be an alliance in West Bengal, a bigger, better alliance, and not the undercutting that we have seen in Bihar. You think
Absolutely.
that the only way for you to survive is a bigger, better alliance?
No,
Mahagathbandhan in its true sense.
We have seen what happened in 2019 election. Mamata Banerjee was the tallest leader who had challenged Narendra Modi even in 2019, and we saw how the Gathbandhan, the alliance that was forged then, there were differences among them to choose one face, to be the leader of the alliance. We have seen what the result was.
But I just want to know this whole thing about small parties cutting into the others. I'm sure we agree that all political parties have the right in this country to fight elections. All. Now, whether you brand them as vote cutters or not, having political ambition is not a crime. Would you agree?
No, it is not a crime, and certainly tagging some political.
So LJP is not a criminal. Owaisi is not a criminal.
No, people are voting for them. It's not that they have bought each and every vote, each and every seat that they have won. People are liking them. People are voting them. They have a separate fan base. So they must use that fan base to strengthen the secular camp rather than the communal camp.
No, but then will a Mamata Banerjee align with an Asaduddin Owaisi she has accused of being the B team of BJP? Will she align?
That depends on how both parties come together, both leaders.
And will you align with the Congress party? The Congress went into an alliance with the CPM last time around in the election. The CPM, the left, has done really well in Bihar. Do you think anyone would ally with the Congress given the performance in Bihar?
I think Congress must be moderate and realistic in when they send any proposal, because we have seen the disaster in Bihar. They fought in 70 seats and won only around 16 or 19. I don't remember. But they must put the interest of the alliance ahead of their own
very interesting. The Congress must put the interest of the alliance instead of its own interest. Ambassador Verma as well as KC Tyagi and RK Sinha. 5 more minutes left. One by one. Ambassador Verma, will begin with you.
Sanket, I want to make 2 points.
Yeah.
First is, I'm tired of this phrase secular parties. Somehow the opposition is so obsessed with an ideological proposition which they don't follow in practice very often, of secular parties, that they subvert their own ability to build a sustainable and viable, winnable rainbow coalition of parties. Look at what is going to happen in West Bengal. The Congress and the CPIM will be fighting the TMC. And then they speak about secularism at stake. This attempt to find alibis for their own ability to forge sustainable alliances will not wash anymore. Secondly, about Bihar, and I'll end here. I believe that while the NDA has won, and I congratulate it, its foundations, I don't believe, are very strong, because you have a government being formed where the chief minister has been reduced to a minority party within the alliance, which is for the first time, and for reasons which should not have occurred.
Okay.
And a hurt and angry Nitish Kumar is not a very happy thing for this alliance.
Okay. So you feel that Nitish Kumar is hurt and angry?
This is my reading. As any leader of a party would be in the face of such a conspiracy.
But I saw him smiling in the press conference.
संकेत जी.
Yeah. KC Tyagi and Mr. R.K. Sinha. Yes.
संकेत जी, एलजेपी को हर अधिकार है चुनाव लड़ने का. उनकी पार्टी के संस्थापक नेता थे रामविलास पासवान जी, और वो चुनाव लड़ रहे थे नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नाम पर. अगर उनमें मॉरल ऑथोरिटी थी और है, ही मस्ट से कि मेरा एनडीए से कोई रिश्ता नहीं है, मेरा नरेंद्र मोदी से कोई रिश्ता नहीं है, मेरा एनडीए से कोई रिश्ता नहीं है, और फिर वो चुनाव लड़ें, तब मैं जानूं ना. अब वो एनडीए में भी हैं, मोदी जी के भक्त भी हैं, किसी के हनुमान भी हैं, और जिसके लिए राम ये कह रहा है इसको जिताओ, उस राम के खिलाफ आचरण भी कर रहे हैं. ऐसी तो मैंने 50 साल में कभी देखा सुना नहीं है. अब वो कहे खुल्लम खुल्ला आकर के, मैं मानूं वो ठीक है. एक बार कहे कि मैं एनडीए से कोई वास्ता नहीं, नरेंद्र मोदी से कोई वास्ता नहीं. नरेंद्र मोदी तो चीफ मिनिस्टर बनाना चाह रहे थे नीतीश कुमार को, और वो हराना चाह रहे थे नीतीश कुमार को. तो
Mr. Modi also did not speak a word against
Chirag Paswan. बोल दिया. मोदी जी वेरी कैटेगरिकली स्पोक.
अरे फिर नीतीश कुमार क्या है बिहार में?
एनडीए मींस
नीतीश नहीं,
ही इज द लीडर.
फिर नीतीश कुमार क्या कर रहे हैं बिहार में 15 सालों से कि कोई एक नौजवान लड़का खड़ा होकर के किसी भी नाम पे आपको हरा दे रहा है?
विकास कर रहे हैं, विकास कर रहे हैं.
इसके पास 3%
जो आपने नाश किया है,
नहीं
जो आपने नाश किया,
जनता ने क्या रिजल्ट दिया आपको? 4 दल के साथ आप चुनाव लड़े, आप 70, 80, 50 सीट भी नहीं ला सके.
अगर
आप ब्लेम कर रहे हैं.
अगर सबोटाज नहीं हुआ होता तो हमारी 80 सीटें आती और आपकी 40 आती.
Okay, no, I think the point that is being made by the RJD is that if you were so strong on your 15 years of development, then you should not have been afraid of any conspiracy.
बिहार बनाया है.
Any internal conspiracy you should, or any sabotage should not have bothered you.
आप भाजपा के खिलाफ बोल भी नहीं पा रहे हैं, जिसने कॉन्स्पिरेसी किया पूरा देश
बोल रहा है. But Mr. R.K. Sinha has not spoken. I apologize to Mr. Sinha. No, one moment. Mr. Sinha, first of all, I deeply apologize. There was a technical issue because of which we could not come to you earlier.
कौन सा घोटाला किया है आपने जिससे आप डरते हैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी से?
Islam साहब, एक सेकंड. R.K. Sinha, I want to know your opinion on the charge of internal conspiracy.
There was no internal conspiracy and there was no sabotage. Everyone has right to fight election. They have fought election. Election is over. New government is going to take oath. We have to sit and analyze that what happened wrong.
Okay.
Sanjay, for this, जो जीता वही सिकंदर है. अब चलें और नीतीश जी के नेतृत्व में सरकार बनाएं. और विपक्ष से मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा, आई वुड लाइक टू गिव माई ब्लेसिंग्स टू तेजस्वी. एट द सेम टाइम आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट ही शुड गिव his full attention on the parliamentary politics, not like being absent from the assembly.
Okay.
And he should try to learn, because he has a long way to go. But he has to learn. He should not give.
I think both Mr. R.K. Sinha and KC Tyagi are saying the same thing, that the youngsters should not be restless and they should not be over ambitious to a point where they become destructive. Right? That's the point that Mr. KC Tyagi also made just a short while ago. But come on, you were also young at some point, and I'm sure you were also equally restless. So you can't hold that against the youngsters.
Just a second.
So thank you so much. I've run out of time. Great lessons from Bihar for all political parties. I want to thank Ambassador Verma, Dr. Nasir Hussain, Ravinder Kishore Sinha, KC Tyagi, Akhtarul Islam Shaheen, Shubhashini Sharad Yadav, Ajmal Khan, Tausif Ahmed Khan and Vijay Jolly. Thank you so much for joining us on this marathon, The Big Fight. Thank you so much. Stop in for a short break. Be right back.